Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEX topic, graphing a function of the form f of x equals ax squared plus c. Alright, so specifically in this one, we're going to be looking at h of x equals negative 4 times x squared plus 5. And we're going to be plotting a very specific 5 points. So specifically 1 at x equals 0, 2 negatives, and 2 positives to make sure we get that full curve there. And then after that, we're going to sketch the graph. Just like the last one, in ALEX, I believe there is a button that you can use, and it'll actually sketch the graph through your 5 points for you. I don't have that, so I'm just going to sketch it by hand. Alright, so I need a table for my points. And I'm going to use kind of my traditional 5 points that are centered around 0. So negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So 2 negatives, 0, and 2 positives. Then I'm going to need to figure out what those values actually are. So I'm going to be using h of x equals negative 4x squared plus 5. I'm going to replace each of these x values in for my x's. So negative 2. And as you're plugging these in, be very careful that you are using those parentheses. They're going to be invaluable to make sure you don't make mistakes here. So here I have negative 2 squared, which is positive 4, times negative 4, which is negative 16, plus 5, which is going to be negative 11. And I will continue in that fashion with the rest of my points. Negative 4 times negative 1 squared plus 5. Negative 1 squared is 1 times negative 4 is negative 4, plus 5 is a positive 1. 0, great number. So 0 squared is 0 times negative 4 is 0, so I love 0. Plus 5 ends us with just 5. h of 1 is negative 4 times 1 squared plus 5. So when I work that one out, 1 squared is 1 times negative 4 is negative 4, plus 5 is a positive 1. And then last but certainly not least, 2, our smallest prime number, is negative 4 times 2 squared plus 5. So 2 squared is 4 times negative 4 is negative 16 plus 5 is negative 11. And as you see over here, we do get our nice symmetric structure. So negative 1, negative 11, 1, 5, 1, negative 11. So that means we're probably on the right track. So I have my points. Now I want to graph each of those points, and then I'm going to sketch my graph through them. So negative 11 is slightly off our graph. That's okay. So negative 2, this is negative 10, so I'm just going to go down about another block or so. Negative 1, negative 1, positive 1. So I'm going to go left 1, up 1, and then 0, 5, positive 1, 1. And 2 also at negative 11. So this one is going to be concave down. It's going to be opening downwards. And our graph will look something like that.